Hello guys, I'm back. I could say I promised a video about making Chikara and yen while AFK, but I did it on phone and it is a tragic quality and I don't want that such terrible video to be on my channel, so I remake it and I'll try to explain it a little better this time. So to AFK Chikara and yen we have to go to the ice island. I tried a lot of areas and as I saw it has the most enemies, so you can get most yen and Chikara. As you can see, I have about 700,000 of Chikara because I AFK'd overnight, so that works really well. I got about 400k yen. So this strat can help you max champions because I have maxed Quake and Mada. I got a lot of levels on Naruto, but Mada gives me ability cooldown and it isn't worth, I believe, to max Naruto because they give me all stats I need. So to start, it would be nice if you had reduced cooldown Game Pass because it will give you another 25%. You don't need to have this accessory that I have, but I bought it thinking there is no limit to cooldown reduction, but as you can see it is capped at 50%. So even though if I equip it, I will still have 50%. So if you don't have enough damage, you can equip any accessory that will boost your chakra damage to deal more damage with tsunami. I don't have this problem, but if you have, you can equip any accessory you need. So the best champion you can use is Mada because he gives you ability cooldown. You need, if you want to AFK on computer, you need to have any program that can record your action, like Tiny Task. So for example, you here have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pirates that if you stand correctly you can kill with one tsunami. Each of those pirates give you about, how much do they give? They give about 35, 70, about 50 yen per kill, I would say, because sometimes you can get 150. So I would say about 50 yen per kill, and as you can see, and about 200 chikara per kill. So you can multiply it by 7 and you will have the amount you can get per hour or just per kill. So with my reduced cooldown Game Pass, my tsunami has cooldown of 14.5 seconds, as I remember, because on phone, when you log in Roblox on phone, you can see what your cooldown on abilities. So it's 14 seconds. I believe if you don't have any champions or anything, it's 20 seconds or even more. So if you have spare Robux, it's really worth it. So if you want to hit all 7, you have to try it a few times. So for example, for the first time I'll stand here and I'll just use tsunami and see if I will hit all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I didn't. Okay. So maybe a little bit. Okay, I think that's it. I'll try again and let's see if I get all 7. So I will use, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So if you have a right angle and spot, you can just take Tiny Task or any program that can record or do things on your computer while you're away, and I will record it. So I'll just press this a few times and V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's, you can set continuous playback and it can play in infinite duration while you're away. You don't have to do that slowly as I did with record. The best thing to do with record is to just spam it in a way, because you don't want to waste time, so you just click here, V and here to, okay, I think I now messed up here, more here. The best duration is 1 second, I believe, to just not, you can place it in other place to not just lag out. Not here. Now here's the problem again, but it's kinda hard, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, as I suppose. It's hard to set sometimes. I never had this problem before, to be honest. It always took me about 1 minute to set it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I think that's it. So I can just leave it, go to study, I don't know, go with friends out, and you can earn a lot of yen and Chikara shards. Okay, so that's it. And the best part of it, I forgot to mention, is that for me, as the person that trains sword, it's a really good strat, because I can use sword and still get many stats, and Mada that gives ability cooldown also trains sword, so it's almost free Chikara, free yen, and I still can train sword, so it doesn't destroy my grind doing sword. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something in this video, and see you later.